These are the 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time observations for the San Francisco and Monterey Bay areas on Sunday, December 25th. At San Francisco Airport, a thunderstorm was reported, temperature 45, dew point 44, relative humidity 96%, northeast wind at 23 miles an hour, pressure 29.89 inches and falling. At Oakland Airport, rain was falling. It was 44 degrees. Dew point 44. Winds east at 17 miles an hour. Pressure 29.88 inches and falling. At San Jose Airport, light rain was falling. It was 41 degrees. Dew point 38. Winds northeast at 8 miles an hour. Pressure 29.86 inches. The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point, California out to 10 nautical miles, San Francisco Bay south of the Bay Bridge, waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point 10 to 60 nautical miles until 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 96 nautical miles southeast of Point Arena, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 12:36 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern San Mateo County in Northern California, San Francisco County in Northern California, until 1:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:36 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Daly City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Francisco, Daly City, South San Francisco, San Bruno, Pacifica, Millbrae, Brisbane, Colma, and Broadmoor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.